don't get it. Jade? And now you're in my house. This kite is broken. Okay, and?
I was just walking around and I saw this kite stuck in a bush and it's broken and someone needs to fix it.
You want me to fix your kite?
Will you forget about the stupid kite?
I'm sorry I brought it up.
I want Beck back!
But you broke up with Beck.
I know! Just like when I was 7 and I threw away my potato patch pal, but then I realized I wanted him back. But it was too late because my mother already gave it away to some greedy orphans.
Jade, if you want to get back together with Beck, then why don't you just tell him?
I did, but he rejected me.
Not to be mean, but why are you coming to me for help?
Because I don't want anyone who's cool to see me like this.
Okay, maybe you should... Wait, are we friends? We're not even friends.
Well, yeah, but if you help me, maybe I'll like you.
So if I help you, I get a mean friend and a broken kite?
Please, just please talk to Beck for me.
Okay, I'll talk to Beck.
Do it soon. I got a little makeup on your pillow.
It's okay. I'll just ask my grandmother to make me another one. If she ever comes back to life. Oh, that doesn't mean anything. What are his likes and dislikes?
Likes sushi, video games, girls with blonde hair and blue eyes.
Dislikes?
People who pretend to be something they're not.
Oh no! Can I have your underwear again?
You spent like 5 hours with this guy and he still doesn't know what you really look like?
No. Oh my god. What if he hates red-headed girls with brown eyes?
Don't worry, he won't.
Are you crying?
Yeah, I can't help it. I cry when I'm scared. What is this?
Underwear?
They're so big.
Buzz me in.
KK.
Cat, it'll be okay.
Now I'm a cherry pie. I'm Pie Girl. But don't bite off my nose.
Kat, we have a 10-page script due tomorrow morning and we're on page 3 and you're not helping at all. Now will you please stop acting like a child?
There she goes.
Look, I didn't mean to yell at you. Please don't cry, I'm just frustrated because...
Cat!
Oh my god, Kat! It's before morning!
No, I am not driving this rolling chiz box to San Diego and back.
Just drive the child to San Diego!
All right.
Hi. You know what? It was wrong for me to come here. You're probably really busy and I shouldn't.
What's going on?
My mom, they might put her in jail.
Come in! Come in! What's going on? What did your mom do?
She's been stealing money at work.
Stealing money?
I don't even blame her. Her sister, my Aunt Susan, she's really sick and she needs an operation, but she's like broke.
Oh my God. Listen, why don't you bring your Aunt Susan over here and then I'll put on some heavy shoes and then I'll jump up and down on her face.
You insensitive witch!